Good day, everybody. This is AG Outside again. I want to, chronicle replacing this light fixture in my Eve. The little blue box, or the boxes that hold the fixtures, it kind of got loose and fell down. And I'm gonna just want to show replacing that little box. It's pretty easy to do. What you want to do in a situation like this, you want to use what they call an old style work box. It has little wings on it that'll attach to the insides of the soffit, and it'll kind of clamp and hold it back up in there. A lot of people probably don't know how to replace that firsthand. So I want to do a video to show that it's very easy to do. Okay, so how these boxes work? Um, as we'll fit the box up in the hole, and then as we fit it up in there, we'll, it stays down in this channel right here. And as we screw it, it'll turn out, and then as we screw it down, this clamp will slowly clamp down, and it'll be, hold it against the soffit. I can't do it with one hand. But basically, all these little wings right here, just, once we get it up in there, they'll, when I screw it out, it'll turn out, and each one of them will come down and tighten up against the soffit. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so we got the box, we got it pushed up in there, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start screwing these screws. And once we screw these screws, those little wings are gonna turn out, and then when they turn out, they're gonna compress against the top of that soffit, and that's what's gonna hold it in. And we're gonna, when that screw, all right, I can tell it's hitting the top of that soffit now. So we're gonna tighten it up a little bit. I'm gonna do each one of these the same way. I can actually feel it getting tighter. So okay, the box is on there and it's nice and tight, snug up in there. And this box right here is rated at to hold up to 15 pounds. I'm actually going to replace this with a lot lighter LED triple floodlight though. So I'm going to finish it up and we'll be right back. All right, and it's all done. Easy peasy, as they say. When I looked on the online on YouTube, I couldn't really find a good video on that, so I decided to just do one, maybe to help somebody else if they need to replace that. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to AG Outside for more videos. Thanks and have a good day.